Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with our chapter number 11, Algebra. Next is the use of variables in common rules. First is the rule of geometry. Now in geometry, we have already seen in our previous chapters also the perimeter of square. So what is the perimeter of a square? It is sum of the length of all the sides of square. Now you know that the square is having 4 sides and the 4 sides are equal. So it can be written as 4 multiplied by L because the sides are all equal. If you count the length, all having the same length. So it can be 4 into L or we can write 4L. So this is the perimeter of a square. Next comes the perimeter of rectangle. Now children, you all know what is a rectangle. It's a rectangle having length and breadth. Now this is also sum of all sides. Now you can see that both the length are of same side and both the breadth are of same size. So we can say that L plus L and B plus B, that is length plus length and breadth plus breadth. Or we can also write 2L plus 2B, or we can write 2 multiplied by L plus B. We will get the perimeter of the rectangle. In the same way, we can obtain formulas for the sum of internal angles of polygon, the number of diagonals of polygon, and so on. We now see the rules of arithmetic. The rules of arithmetic, first comes the commutativity of addition of two numbers. Now here the two numbers, if added in different orders, the answer will be same. So for example, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Like 7 plus 5, the answer is 12 is equal to 5 plus 7. We will get the same answer. So there is no difference if the order we change. So order can be anything. So second, therefore commuting the order of number in addition does not change the sum. Now next comes the commutativity of multiplication of two numbers. Here also, when the two numbers are multiplied and if the order is changed, there is no change in the answer. For example, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Like here, 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3. So here also commuting, that is interchanging the order of number in multiplication, does not change the product. That means it will not change the answer. Next comes the distributivity of numbers. Now let A, B and C be three variables, each of which can be taken any number. Then A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So this is the law of distributivity of numbers. Example, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 7 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 7. So on the basis of these properties, we will continue with our chapter number 11.2. Exercise 11.2, first question, the side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter in equilateral triangle using L. Now here we have it is given that it is a triangle, means triangle is having 3 sides, and we have to express the perimeter in using L. So we'll write, let each side of an equilateral triangle be L. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to sum of length of all sides. So there are 3 sides, we'll make ABC. So AB plus BC plus CA, those are the 3 sides. or we can also write L plus L plus L, that is 3L. Therefore, we can write that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3L. Question number 2 is your homework. Now question number 3. A cube is a three-dimensional figure as shown in the figure 11.11. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula of the total length of the edge of a cube. So children, here this cube has been given and you can see that the length is same. As cube is a square, it is a three-dimensional square. So the length will be the edges. So how many edges are there? You can count. So in a cube there are 12 edges. So length is 12. For this, length of the edge of the cube is equal to L. So we'll make L as the length. Then number of edges is equal to 12. So there are total number of edges is equal to 12. Therefore, total length of the edges will be number of edges multiplied length of an edge. So how many numbers of edges are there? There are 12 numbers. So 12 multiplied by L, that is 12L. So answer is 12L. So we can say that the formula for the total length of the edge of a cube is 12L. Question number 4. The diameter of the circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. In the adjoining figure 11.12, AB is the diameter of the circle. C is the center. Express the diameter of the circle D in terms of radius R. So R is the radius. Solution: diameter is equal to AB. It is given in this figure. You can see that AB cuts the circle into 2 equal parts. So C is the center. So this line passes through the center. So we can say that AC is a radius and CB is also a radius. So a diameter is 2 radius. So diameter is equal to AC plus CB. So what is AC? It is a radius, and what is CB? It is also a radius. So we can say that it is, in place of AC we'll write R, and in place of CB we'll write R. So R plus R is equal to 2R. Therefore, the diameter of the circle in terms of radius is 2R. Now question number 5. Find the sum of 3 numbers 14, 27 and 13. We can have 2 ways. We may first add 14 and 27 and get 41, and then add 13 to it to get the total sum 54. We may add 27 and 13 to get 40, and then add 14 to get the sum 54. Thus 14 plus 27 plus 13 is equal to 14 plus 27 plus 13. We can be done for these 3 numbers. This property is known as the associativity of addition of numbers. Now this we have to express in terms of ABC. So we have 3 numbers 14, 27 and 13. We'll express this in the variable ABC. Now then we will add it. For any 3 whole numbers ABC, A plus B bracket plus C is equal to A plus BC in bracket. So by the associative property of addition, 14 plus 27 plus 13 is equal to 14 plus 27 plus 13, 27 and 13 in bracket. So this is again a property of algebra, that is A plus B bracket plus C is equal to A plus B and C in bracket. I hope, dear children, you have understood. Thank you for watching the video.